stop by and take a look at the 2023 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.